Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change row height in Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then create your Excel spreadsheet or open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now I change row height. Firstly select a row. Then go to home menu, then click format drop down menu and you can see here are row height. Click this row height. Now increase or decrease this row height. I increase this row height 15 to 30. Then press OK. You can see I change row height. You can also change a cell. Select a cell, then click format menu and choose row height. Now increase this cell size. Then press OK. You can see I change row height in Excel spreadsheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.